sounds absolutely wonderful, my love. Now, you want to stir the custard until it reaches this consistency. See how smooth that is? Then we tap the bowl to observe closely. It is precisely at this temperature that the sugar transforms, releasing its deepest flavor.
I'll take 3 of the classic pastéis, please. They look wonderful.
Of course. That will be $8.50.
I can't believe how busy it is. But the tarts are worth it.
Absolutely delicious.